Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've uninstalled the app, but remnants remain. Act now. First, close any related processes and sign out of accounts. Make a quick backup of the app's config folder so you can restore settings if needed. Then, enable hidden files and open program files plus %appdata% to locate folders named after the app. Once found, begin removing folders, but do not force delete locked files yet. Leave them for the next step so you don't break running services. Now you'll dig into persistent data. Delete remaining program folders in program files and program files, x86. Next, remove the app's folders from app data, roaming, local, and local low, and checksy, /program data for system-level files. If you're on Mac OS or Linux, remove ~library or ~. Config equivalents with sudo when required. For Windows registry cleanup, open regedit, export the key you'll edit. Then delete only keys that clearly match the app name or publisher. Finish by cleaning temp storage and emptying the recycle bin, then reboot to ensure any locked files are released. After restart, verify there are no remaining services, startup entries, scheduled tasks, or browser extensions tied to the app. If you still see leftovers, boot into safe mode or use an unlock utility like Process Explorer to free handles and delete the files. On Mac OS, use recovery or single-user mode. If something breaks, restore the exported registry key or your backup to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.